gender of the kids. So these are my pets. This is their mother, and her name is Shea. And this is her 5 little kids, and they are 7 weeks old now. This is Blackie. This is Cade. This is Tiny. This is Blight. And this is Kate. So a female rabbit is called Doe, and the male rabbit is called Buck. Be sure that your kids are 20 days old above, because it's hard to identify when they are 20 days below. So let's start. So first, you're gonna hold like this and press the tail and the upper part like this. A female is a very distinct up and down slit. Up and down. A small protrusion will come out. There is a vertical slit versus just a dot. Or a circular opening, so this is a female. Hey, do that! So Kate is a female. So next is Tiny. So let's press this again. So as you can see, there is a very distant up and down and vertical slit. So this is also a female. So Tiny is a cute little doe. Thank you, Tiny. So next is Cade. So the same. So again, let's press this and you can see the penis comes out. So this is a male. So Cade is a male or a buck. Thank you, Cade. So next is Black. So as you can see, the penis also comes out. It means Black is a male. Thank you, Blackie. Next, let's do it again. As you can see, there is a distinct up and down. This means Blight is a girl, a doe. So these are the bucks or the male rabbits. So these are the does or the female rabbits. They're so cute. So this is how you identify the gender of a kit. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!